Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is iPhone 16 Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change screen recording sound settings on this device. Alright, so to change screen recording sound settings, first you have to swipe from the top to the bottom like this, and now right here we have to find our screen recording icon. If we don't have one here, we can click on this icon in the left top corner and we can choose add a control, and we can just add a screen recording icon. As you can see, now I have two of them, so I'm gonna delete one, and now all we have to do is just hold on our screen recorder icon, and here we can turn on or turn off our microphone, and basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!